on a main ship 34, where the shaft goes up and meets the engine, halfway up there's an intermediate bearing. And then I found a little placard tucked in behind where my genset is, and it shows that you need to grease the intermediate bearing down in there. So now I'm going to show you where the bearings are. So right in there, you can see where the shaft is. Right there is the bearing. And right there, you can see where the grease is coming out, is where you grease it. This project, it's recommended that you get a small grease gun, like that one right there. But the key is the standard fitting on the grease gun won't fit between the hull and the grease point, or the zert. So I had to track down a special 90-degree adapter to put on the end of that. The amount of grease it took, believe it or not, was almost a full tube, of one of the mini tubes I should say. But it took almost all of that before the grease started coming out of that. Now I did start the engine, put it in reverse, try to get the bearings and the lubrication of the grease going, and then I'd put it back to neutral, put it in forward. So the bearings did get lubrication around inside there with the grease. So I don't know how you're supposed to learn about this stuff other than osmosis, but if you have an older main ship 34 or any other type of boat that has a intermediate bearing that the shaft runs through, figure out where it's at and grease it.